In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide recent game activity on Steam. If you want to keep your playtime and the games you've been checking out a bit more private, this walkthrough will show you exactly where those settings live and how to switch them off quickly and safely. Start by opening the Steam client and signing into your account. Once you're in, look at the top of the window for your profile name. It's usually next to your avatar and opens a small drop-down menu when you click it. From that menu, choose View My Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile page, which is where Steam keeps all the options that control what other people can see about your account. On your profile page, find the Edit Profile button. It's typically near the top right area of your profile header. Click that, and a new screen will appear with a list of sections on the left. From this sidebar, select Privacy Settings. This is the hub for visibility controls and is where we'll change how your recent activity and playtime appear to others. In the Privacy Settings panel, look for the Game Details section. This section controls the visibility of your game library, achievements, wishlist, and, importantly, your recent game activity. To hide your recent activity entirely, set Game Details to Private. This makes your game information invisible to everyone but you. If you still want to keep some game information visible but don't want others to see how much time you've played, check the box that says Always keep my total playtime private even if users can see my game details. With this box checked, people can still view your game details if you allow it, but your hours remain hidden. There's no separate save button here. Steam saves these changes automatically as soon as you make them. If you don't see the change reflected immediately on your profile, give it a moment and then revisit your profile page. That's all there is to it. By adjusting the game details visibility to private, or by enabling the Playtime Privacy checkbox, you've effectively concealed your recent activity and playtime from your profile. You can revisit these settings anytime to fine-tune what you share, but the changes you made today will keep your recent gaming habits out of public view. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.